This, believe it or not, is what passes for what's called an F road in Iceland. And half the roads in Iceland are like this. And only four-wheel drive vehicles are allowed on them. Hekla is over behind that mountain. I can't see it now. So I just keep heading that way for another 10 miles. There's a nice sunrise there. What you kind of notice is very, very silent. And there's just no people around like in England. You'd expect to see somebody, you know, even in a remote place. But you could go for days, hours, I don't know, here, not see anybody. It's quite bizarre, and there's not a sound. It is completely still.